Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sign into new Gmail account on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign into a new Gmail account on your phone, first open up your Gmail app on your phone, and this kind of interface will appear if you have already logged into your Gmail account and if you want to log into a new account. But if there is a login panel, we'll be getting to it right on now. From this interface, guys, in order to sign into your new Gmail account, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of your screen over here. Tap on it and this kind of interface will appear. Scroll down and you can see the add another account button available for us over here at the bottom of the list. Tap on add another account and this kind of a panel will appear. Now we'll be required to tap on the Google section because Gmail is the email of Google. So let's tap on Google and let's wait for it. Let's verify ourselves. And this kind of panel will appear where you'll be required to enter the email address of your Google account which you want to log in. So let's go. And after entering your email address, guys, tap on the next button over here at the bottom right corner of the screen. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter your password over here. Enter the password of your account, whichever may it be, and tap on the next button, and then you'll be logged into your new Gmail account on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to log into your new Gmail account on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.